Turning vision into action, program management drives progress by aligning and managing multiple projects with precision, delivering impactful results on a grand scale. So program management really has the ability to bring together all the multiple functional groups that are required to drive project and program success. With our program management approach, the first thing that we're targeting or approaching is the breakdown of the silos between the different functional groups, whether it's the owner, the execution arm, or ultimately into the operations team. We drive to break down those communication barriers so everybody's on the same page, ultimately leading to a single goal of success for that client or that program. The program readiness assessment really gives us insight and visibility to the details behind the scenes that we normally wouldn't see or get until after the contract is executed. It also allows us to expand upon what the client is doing well, ultimately to provide a better plan for schedule, scope, and budget, ultimately driving to project success. What sets Burns & McDonnell apart from our competition is that we come at the program readiness assessments through real-world application based off of our EPC understanding and execution approach, having visibility throughout the full project lifecycle based off of input and insights from our multiple functional areas across the company really allows us to provide a more comprehensive and executable strategy throughout the entire project. Being able to make fact-based, real-time decisions on a program are critical to its success. We facilitate that through an integrated program management information system that brings all of that program information into a single source of truth so those decisions can be made. Having the ability to make a decision live time that's based off of facts and data is critical, and no more critical than during a regulatory audit. And having that information at your fingertips to be able to push button out of a project management information system is critical to being able to evaluate and also to provide transparency, auditability, and traceability across your programs. Our approach to program management really is to drive our clients' success. We're there as an extension or on behalf of those clients. Ultimately, we're focused on insights, tools, and processes overall to drive education and ultimately success of their projects or their programs.